how to fix Instagram white screen easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, is open the settings page on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then all what you have to do is enable the airplane mode, and then close the Wi-Fi or disable it. And after that, go to the apps page on your phone and go to Instagram. Now this is the app informations. All what you have to do here is click on this force stop option, and after that go to the storage, click here on this option, it's called clear data. Go back, and now the last step you have to do is go back, go to the wireless and networks, and disable the airplane mode, and then enable the Wi-Fi. And the last thing you have to do now is open Instagram, and it must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.